In this video, we will see how easy it is to migrate applications from other IDEs to Visual Studio Code. I have here an nRF Connect SDK application built using the Segger Embedded Studio IDE, and this application is stored in this directory. It's in the C My Application Peripheral UART. We call this directory the root directory of the application. This is where the CMake list and the application configuration file prg.conf is stored. For me to migrate this to Visual Studio Code, I need to open Visual Studio Code, and then from here I need to go to the Welcome panel or window, select Add an existing application to workspace, which we mean here the Visual Studio Code workspace. Click here. Select the root directory of the application that you want to import or migrate. We said it's in My Application, Peripheral UART, select folder. And you can see you'll be prompted with this window that tells you that the workspace, the Visual Studio workspace we're using is configured to work with nRF Connect SDK version 1.6.1. Are you okay with that? Yes. Confirm it and select it. Toolchain, same thing. 1.6.1. Okay, and we can see that the application has been imported here. We can select it. It's a really good idea to do a pristine build just to make sure everything is working fine. And we can keep track of the building process by clicking on the terminal. So we can see that the building is going all well. We should see that the building is complete once we see the memory statistics prompt in the terminal. Okay, we can see that the build is complete, and that's it. That's how we can migrate an application from Segger Embedded Studio to here. Let's show another example. So I have here another application in this directory, the asset tracker, which was built completely using the terminal. So there was no actual IDE to build this. It was just simply built using the command line, using West. So same strategy to migrate it to Visual Studio Code. All we need to do is from the Welcome panel, select it, select Add an existing application to workspace, select the root directory of that application, which is My Application, Asset Tracker, select folder, yes, and then confirm the version of the nRF Connect SDK and the toolchain. And you'll see it's imported here. And again, it's a good idea to do a pristine build once you import a new application from another IDE. With this, we have covered how to migrate applications from other IDEs to Visual Studio Code.